Hello, welcome to eggsinfive. I'd like to talk a little bit about the state of the channel, just do a little check-in with you guys. A lot of concern, a lot of people reaching out after the last video I made. One, because the quality was absolutely terrible. It's an egregious mistake on my part. Once again, did not use the same camera. It's not the best quality. It's still 4K. It's just from a much worse device than what I'm used to using for you guys, you know. I've just been doing videos so infrequently because I've been so busy that I haven't really had the time to set up. And you know, there's a lot of setup that go into 5-minute egg videos that I think a lot of people don't consider. So I wanted to do something a little fast, a little dirty, just to get it out there. And once again, my mistake. But I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it a lot. We'll take a look here at the video.
Gonna make a little egg sandwich. It's kind of late.
You guys know it's really standard for me to get in there with my paws and just really get that butter right by the horns. Get it right in the pan. No exceptions here, okay? Staying true to the form of what I am. This is eggs done fast. Some good heat.
Been over here in this deluxe toaster oven. Toaster oven that was given me by my sweet mother.
Yep, it was.
In her final days.
She is still alive. I don't know why I said that.
This English muffin.
There's a waffle in the back. You'll see that. I don't know what it's doing back there.
So the thing with the grain pan is I guess you don't really need to butter it. I'm kind of just doing that for flavor.
That's a fact. Don't know why that crushed so hard.
Wow. I didn't think that was funny, but it cracked up my camera woman.
Yep.
And
incredible woman.
And it cracked my cat up. My cat's laughing at me right now. Pretty perfect for just one egg, which is great.
The audio in this video is incredibly bad. The microphone, this is not my phone. I'm going to be honest. I use my phone. I thought it would do a great job. It's a Pixel 6. It's not a bad phone. Takes incredible photographs. Video quality, actually not that bad, but you know what? It's not that great. You know?
I only want it runny. I'm not doing like an over medium or over easy. You easily could because this pan is just that phenomenal.
You know, I just want to apologize again because if I go, we'll go theater mode here. What does that do for you guys? Nothing. Because the format is messed up. Because I use my phone. Now, had I flipped it, which I'll try in the next one, we could potentially get some better quality out of this. We'll get something a little different. But for the time being, it's simply whatever it is, which is...
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it's a little rough.
So we'll do this a little shake. It's not quite there yet.
You know, he's going to do a shake test.
It's really going.
This was someone else's coffee. I'm just going to get into it.
Let's give it like one more minute. So let's give it like 3 more minutes.
Pulling someone's leg there. It's making me want to cook more eggs. I've already had eggs today.
Maybe lower your cholesterol. Maybe you found out you're fucking allergic to eggs. You know,
Okay, so right there I bring up a couple of critical things. One being, it's possible I have slightly higher cholesterol than I once had. And no fault of yours. This is my burden to bear. And it's my cholesterol. And yeah, I really should be paying more attention to it. I finally saw a doctor first time in maybe 10 years. And he looked at me and just was like, hey, it's slightly higher than normal. It's not that big of a deal. Just be careful with what you eat and take a little more consideration for heart-healthy choices in your life. I have been trying. Then I mentioned being allergic to eggs. I want to clarify what I meant by that. I've been having every now and again some stomach issues. I took a test, and the results are here. And basically, you can see My food reactivity level is slightly high for egg whites. We're mild reactivity there. Egg yolk ends up being pretty low in mild reactivity, almost normal reactivity. But once again, a bit of an issue. I can't really consume as many eggs as I normally would. Still one of my all-time favorite things to cook, all-time favorite things to eat, and sculpt life with.
You just cook the one egg. I can cook just egg whites in this, you know?
Part of the reason I
Can't be
haven't been
that
making
bad.
as many egg videos, what I might start doing is there's been a lot of calls for reaction videos actually, so I might start
Wow.
watching some other egg content and addressing
Wow.
their mistakes.
Guys ever just get that here? I'll show you some egg tricks. Oh, that's the one on the. Yep. Oh, maybe I don't know how to do egg tricks. Okay,
Yeah,
that's a trick. I'm just gonna
I
flip
actually
it
do.
with a spatula because that's what they're fucking made to do. Okay, we got that there. I'm gonna put the cheese just fucking right in there.
You can hear the frustration in my voice. It is concerning. I get why. I'm so grateful so many people reached out and checked on me upon viewing this video.
Little pep, little salt.
Well, I mean, this just wraps the video up. I don't know what else to tell you.
A little egg sandwich. I'm sure it's delicious. I'm gonna cover it with ketchup and hot sauce because I'm an animal.
I did. It was good. It was pretty good. Well, I hope. Oh, this is someone else's material right here. I might watch this. Take a little bit of time to kind of go over how my guys having a good old time with this cast iron pan frying up an egg. I hope you can forgive me for that content. There will be more of it, absolutely. And on top of that, it'll be more of this, because I'm gonna be honest with you, it is incredibly way too easy, and that's you know what I'm going for here. Easy, eggs. That's it. Thanks.